Long lines, overpriced fares, unreliable rides, traveling can be stressful. But with AURUM Transfers, your journey starts with ease, comfort, and reliability. Why choose us? Because we take the guesswork out of getting from point A to point B, ensuring a smooth, hassle-free experience. For professionals, every second counts. That's why we provide executive transportation that lets you work on the go. High-speed Wi-Fi, bottled water, and a chauffeur who knows the best routes to get you there on time. For families, convenience is key. We offer spacious vehicles, child-friendly options, and seamless transfers from the airport straight to your resort, villa, or private residence. And because we're trusted by Jamaica's top hotels and resorts, you know you're in good hands. Booking is simple. Just visit AURUM-transfers.com. Select your ride and enjoy transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Whether it's a last-minute trip or a pre-planned getaway, we've got you covered 24/7. From business professionals to vacationers, we deliver a first-class travel experience tailored to your needs. Why settle for ordinary when you can travel in style? Book your ride today at AURUM-transfers.com. Choose AURUM Transfers, where your journey is just as enjoyable as your destination.